Now, we were pretty much impressed by the way Nord CE4 series was, and we are looking forward to what the Nord CE5 has in store for us. Specifically, what flavor would Nord CE5 bring to our tech taster, or I would say our spec taster? Now, is there a change in the battery, or the processor, or the look and feel of the phone, or the display of the phone? In this video, we will be doing a full review of the much awaited Nord CE5. Now, if you look at this phone, the design is pretty minimalistic, and if you check out the bezels, they are very thin. I mean, I had to look very closely to know what the bezels are like. Do they even exist in this phone? Other than this, I've noticed that the back is pretty smooth and it's pretty comfortable to hold in the hand. Although you feel that you're going to lose your grip once you switch your hands, but then I personally feel that this actually gives a good look and feel to the phone. Other than this, you will notice that the phone is also pretty thin. It is about 7.6 millimeters thick. No matter how the weather is, whatever water splashes gets into this phone, or maybe it's the dust that enters the phone, this phone is water and dust resistant, and it has been rated IP65. Again, I found this phone to be a little heavy on the hand. This is weighing almost 200 grams. But the colors are pretty interesting of this phone. I was really attracted to this color, which is the Nexus Blue. Other than this, there is the Marble Mist and Black Infinity color. Now, if we speak about the display of the phone, it has 6.77-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 1430 nits peak brightness. So if you're viewing content on social media or on whatever platforms, you will notice that the videos that you see, the gaming that you do, the content that you see, it will all be shown in Ultra HDR. Now, coming back to the IP65 rating, it also has an Aqua Touch feature. That means that if your hands are wet or oily, you can still slide or scroll through the phone with ease. If you look at the predecessor of this phone, which is the Nord CE4, it had the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor. And this phone has the MediaTek Dimensity A350 processor. Now, the Nord CE5 delivers seamless multitasking, whether you're switching through the apps or even if you are gaming or you are checking out some new content. Speaking of the storage, this phone can actually expand up to 1 terabyte of storage. That means that whatever large files you have of movies or even series or even games, you can easily store in this phone. It also has an advanced cryovelocity cooling system. That means that it avoids the heat buildup that is there in this phone, which makes it very easy for you to game for longer periods. If you look at the AI features in this phone, it is quite similar to that of the OnePlus 13s. That means that you can easily translate calls, or you can actually do AI search, in which you need to just maintain notes or summaries, or you can actually do Gemini Live and even do Circle to Search. Now, if we speak about the battery in this phone, there has been a huge jump. I mean, if you look at the predecessor, which is the Nord CE4, it had the 5500 mAh battery, but this phone has not even 6.5, it has 7.1K mAh, which is 7100 mAh battery in this phone. Now, the brand claims that you can actually use this phone for 2.5 days seamlessly. I also tried the Oppo K13, and let me tell you, my personal experience with that phone, which was also a 7000 mAh battery, was pretty good. I could use that phone for at least 2 days. If you speak about the camera of this phone, it has a 50 megapixel Sony Light 600 camera. If we speak of the ultra wide lens, then that is 8 megapixels. If we speak of the front camera, then that is 16 megapixels. If you take photos in this particular camera, the photos will come in HDR. That means rich, vibrant and further detailing will be provided to the pics that will be taken in this phone. Now, Cyrus got to go on a work trip to Vietnam and he took some camera samples. Check it out. So to sum it up, great colors in this phone, massive battery, similar cameras, change in processor. What really impressed me was the jump in the battery size in this phone. I mean, it really impressed me. It's especially impressive for those who are looking to use the game for long periods of time, such as do gaming or do content creation. This might be a good choice for them. So what are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comment section below. This is your HPR signing off.